is fruit.
Oh, okay. What are those two? I forgot what they are.
Which one? 18 and 19?
Yeah.
18 is raspberry, 19 is lettuce.
18.
Obviously, hey! Ano ba? Hey, look. Ay, ba? Ito ah. Hey, what's this?
Anne is working. Wow. Ganda ni Anne, grabe. Nag-work ako lang, hindi. Oy, papel ko. Nasaan ang work ko? Isa akin yan eh. Nag-work si Joey. Si Anne naman ay iniisip si Ma. si Katrina walang magawa.
Message naman, message.